Hey guys, Sam Sports Up here. Here's my dad.
Hi.
Alright, so we're doing the Select Soccer retail box war to see which one's better. He's got Blaster, I got the Mega. I'm going to crack into the Mega box first to see what's inside. So if you guys missed the other video for baseball, that was better. So, the best rookie in the set by far is Mr. Julian Alvarez. This is the Premier League, which is better than Liga. So, looking for autos, numbered cards, the orange and pink ice parallels. Getting 60 cards per box. Again, these are going to be up on our eBay soon. So, yeah, let's get right into it. Pack number 1. Never really opened up soccer. I think I've opened like one singular soccer pack before. So, I know the decent guys in here. Salah. Ooh, good pink ice coming up. Okay. Harry Kane. That's not bad. Let's see. We got Christian Pulisic. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. That's sweet. I think he's pretty good. That guy, and oh, I thought it was Holland. That's still pretty cool. Equalizer silver. So, first pack's pretty sweet. Next one. Ooh, James Ward. Something there. Marcus is rookie. There's Holland right there. It's a good one. Holland's probably the best one in the set. That guy. Okay. Got 2 pinks and ooh. There's the silver James Ward. Okay, next one. Again, still looking for Mr. Julian Alvarez. Silver, pink, ice, anything for Julian Alvarez. Matty Cash. Pretty cool name. Rookie. Daniel James. Marcus. Right there. That guy, we got a Loris. I think he's pretty good. Yep. Philip, and then a silver of, ooh, Spence right there. That's a good-looking card. Final 3 packs. I don't love the way these open. It's okay. Got a Jesse Lingard on the back. Jesus Antony Mason Mount. It's a good one. That guy, Jimenez. That guy, ooh, that's sick to get a rookie. Is it a silver? Yep, and a silver of Lingard. So hitting tons of parallels. Lewis Cook, Van Dyke. That guy got Alexander. That guy right there, Leon Bailey. Oh, I think he's decent. Ooh, look at that. Of Sterling right there. That's sick. And ooh, look at that. Unstoppable of Aaron Hickey. That's a gorgeous card. Final pack. My base pile is smaller than the hit pile, which is always nice to see. The parallel hit pile, stuff like that. That guy and the rookie. Mendy. We got Faith. More. And final silver is that guy. So, overall, I think Megas are pretty good. Let me just do some sleeving up real quick. Like I said, not too familiar with everybody. I know the basic guys. Fortunately, didn't hit any Julian Alvarez rookies. But, I think to get that many parallels, in one Mega, the fact that I got more parallels than I did more parallels than I did of base cards that's always refreshing, Don't want to see too many base cards right there. So the pink ice look really nice. I'm probably going to put some of these single cards on my eBay, so look for those. I think I'm running out of sleeves, so I'm going to have to use the thick sleeves soon. Yeah, the pink, like I said, the pink parallels look so nice. So my dad's going to crack into his box. We have, oh yeah, I know, those are the thick ones. Yeah, like I said, tons and tons of parallels. Unfortunately, I don't think I hit any pink parallels of, like, great players, you know?
No autos, huh?
No, because it's not guaranteed.
No, it says look for. So.
Yeah. Alright, here, I'll sleeve up after the video. Wasting time. Okay. There's the Mega. Alright, Dad, here.
Can you switch seats?
Yeah, we're switching seats.
Okay.
Don't knock over the camera.
I know. I wasn't born yesterday. Okay, here we go. Oh.
Here, I'll open one pack because I want to see.
Okay.
You get 6 packs. Let me move this stuff. Okay. Yeah. Here, show them. I'll pick my pack and then you get to crack of yours. Yeah. I'll take this one. Let me crack into my pack. Looks like we got an insert here. Got a goalie, Ederson, Sanchez, James Garner, rookie's pretty good, and ooh, Erickson, that's a good one. Mojo. Alright, Dad.
Let's see if I can do this. I'm not as good as you at pulling, tearing.
Careful the camera.
Yeah, I know, but I'm having trouble here, boy. Oh, there we go. Come on, let's do one auto. I don't know my glasses.
James Madison. Ooh.
Who's that? Who's that?
That's not what I said. Ooh.
Oh.
Oh, we got a checkerboard. Look at the back of that.
Wow, look at that. That's cool.
It could be numbered. Not numbered, but that's a cool checkerboard parallel. Here, let me put that in a sleeve.
Put that in a sleeve.
That's a good looking card right there of this guy. Checkerboard goes in the top loader. That's nice. Here,
Okay.
crack in your next pack.
Okay, here we go.
Here, I'll open one too. Details, this is looking pretty nice so far.
Who's that?
Mitchell. Dean Henderson, he's pretty good. Silva, and your parallel. Martinez, not bad. See who I got. Nothing crazy there. And best card, Harry Kane, silver.
Okay, it seems like the Mega had some better.
Yeah, you get more hits. Harry Kane on the silver's not too shabby at all. Here, I'll crack the last pack.
There you go.
Hopefully hitting something.
Okay, here's what we got.
We got a parallel on the back.
Who's that?
Who is it? I'm not sure. Ooh, I think I pulled something decently nice. Alright, yep, I'll sleeve that up. Let's see. I think I pulled some here. That guy. Nice. Holland.
Wow.
Unstoppable. Holland is your best, probably the best card to get. Premier League. He's the GOAT. And one of the GOATs, Premier League. Great player. That's sweet. Okay, so Dad here. So this is Dad's pile from what he pulled. From the blaster. And then here's what I pulled from the Mega.
Definitely, Mega was...
I think Mega's better.
Mega's a Mega.
Mega is better for value. Like I said, they're both going to be up on our
Card
eBay.
for card, it's a better deal.
Yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.